So what are we looking at here?
I was interested to have a look at your newest bag range. I've been told that there are some very exciting bags.
Yeah.
I just want to have a look at them.
Yeah, let's give you a little walkthrough. So what we have here, so the entire range is literally 2 years old, but what the latest and greatest, and I guess the stars of the show, are actually the everyday backpack 30 litre, 20 litre. They're available in ash and in charcoal. They've got blue accents and red accents, both beautiful bags. I'll go into the deep dive in a minute on both those bags, but we've got the tote, it's part of the range as well, and the sling bag. So 30 litre, 20 litre, 15 to 10 litre. And they're all designed for everyday carry, not just for photographers, but for anyone who's kind of wanting that a little bit extra function and form, and you know, and fashion, pure fashion.
Hello, I kicked the bag. Okay, so their whole thing in this Kickstarter was to get easy access.
Yeah.
So there's this loop right here. You give it a tug. Swing it
Oh
around.
yes, I saw that on the internet.
You don't have to take your bag off to get into your gear. And then it's got the flexible dividers inside to create little pockets just dependent on whatever gear you need. So what I do is I'll pop my camera in the bottom, fold this down, and then it's a little shelf for my lens.
Yes.
But you could do like a wallet, you could do chargers, cables, whatever you need, honestly.
You've got side access on both sides, top access which opens with a mag latch, which is a design feature we brought from the Everyday Messenger, and it's a quick magnetic release, one-hand operation, opens up and it ladders down, so in actual fact you can change the capacity and expand that top compartment by about 5 litres.
In case there's any overspill or whatnot.
All these pockets are able to be locked by a new feature we've added, which is actually a theft deterrent or theft-proof locket. So I unclip here. I'm going to go closer on this.
Yeah.
So I can unclip this strap here, and then go in again, and then go around and secure that pocket. So that's actually locked. The whole pocket's locked. I can lock both corners. So all pockets on this bag can be locked. So if you're on a busy train or subway, or if you're in Rome in a busy crowd, you're not going to get your stuff stolen, or at least you're going to know about it before someone steals it. Peak Design is a brand, it's an ecosystem, so we try and make sure that all our products, they talk nicely to our other products. And looking at a pure example here is a field pouch, existing product we already made, but in actual fact, look at the dimensions there, look, that's a perfect fit. And so if I want to stack the field pouch, which is our modular organizer, I can actually stack 2 or 3 of them in there, and it's the optimum space saving. So I'm not going to lose any space. It's a perfect footprint to do that. So I get 3 or 4 of those in there, and you're not going to have any dead space within the bag. And then you've also got this in the bottom, so you can put this out. You can carry a Phantom on here, a little larger, so you cross over, top and bottom.
Look at that.
Either side.
Oh.
And
that's not just for added security. That's actually you can put stuff in there as well.
I can also put stuff around on the bottom as well. So
look at that. Awesome.
Loads of stuff.
I mean, you could just put a skateboard there, and wrap it around as well.
Yeah, yoga mat, anything you want.
Cool. So use cases are most likely for kind of travel abroad. Going up, like let's say backpacking.
Like, for example, for a 3-day trip, I can get away with that. I go regularly 5 days away abroad on business trip, I will take that. The tote, in combination with my 30 litre, and I have ample stuff. And the beauty of that, I can do carry-on, no check baggage. They're both small. So a combination of our bags. But the culmination of all these features have been endless hours of discussion and prototyping. So when you have a final product, you pretty much, that's where we are with it.